Welcome to Road Solver tutorials. In this tutorial, we will going to discuss how to manage the templates in the program. So we have many templates which we are using, how to make a delete or how to modify or whatever we can make it. So how to manage this template in Road Solver. First, the template to be used in one project inside the one road only. It will be saved only one road. It is not related to another road. So if you want to same template to use another road or another project, you have to make export or import of the template. Now need to transfer the template from one road to another or another project will be done through the export and import method only. The third, delete and export and import the template using the proper method only. Now first, how to export the template. When you open this one, there is a panel which is coming. There is a select the typical type of the template. So there is a three type, which is earthwork volume, payment volume and the payment layer. So from that one, each will be different. We cannot transfer one typical type to another typical type. Whenever the import option which is coming selected, so it will be checked automatically that earthwork volume template will be transferred to another earthwork volume only, another project. So just this typical type, after that the typical layer of the template, then press export. So that will be automatically export. First choose the typical type, then choose the template, then you can finally press the export button. So it's asking the file location where you want to store, so this automatically store in the location. Now import the template. First you have to choose the file which you are already stored the location. So from that file it will be deducted that which type of typical type. So if it is a payment volume or earthwork volume or payment layer, that will be appear in the second one. Then after that you select the layer which one you want to import. So then press the import layer, that will be come inside the road project. Then finally delete the template. So first select the typical type, after that the typical layer of the template, then after that press delete. There is no revert option to get again the layer. So before delete, make confirm it will be need to delete or not. Okay. Now we will check how it will be work in our Road Solver software. Okay. In the Road Solver, if you go to the typical calculation, there is a template management, there is a delete template, export template and import template. Okay. So first I go to the export template, I select the earthwork volume and then I select the template earthwork 1 template, export this layer. So I go to store in the desktop. So I give the file name earthwork export template, then save. So the backup will be created in the database. So you can check that file which is available other. So this is a file which is available in the desktop. Now again I am going to import this template. Okay. So I choose that file from the desktop. So there is a export template backup. This open that one and press yes. Now it is automatically detected that is a earthwork volume template. So from that one I will choose this earthwork. This already there is a 2 template is available. So before you want to use the same location, you have to rename this template names. So I go to that template here. Now earthwork, I press here import template. So make it save. Then now you go again, go to import template and choose that file. Which you have created the template layer, so that will be appear to transfer to that layer. Now I created the import template, so select that one, I import this layer and make OK. So that will be imported in the same layers. Now which I created the new one, which is earthwork, that is earthwork import template. So this automatically it is coming here. So finally, if you want to delete this template, and you have to go to earthwork volume, I select which is import template, that one, I delete that template and delete OK. Then it is finally deleted. If you are going to check in the earthwork volume, so it is, there is a template here, but data will be deleted. Okay. So based on like this method, you can manage the templates in Word Solver software. Thank you.